guys, we're trying the flaming hot cheddar and sour cream. Let's see if they're flaming. Taste the sour cream. I can taste the cheddar. I don't taste flaming hot. Let's try some. I still have a little bit of Tone Ranger's Caramel Spectrum. So, all right. Ooh. Now that is warm. That's really good. Tongue burn from this, not this. So guys, the Ruffles Flamin' Cheddar and Sour Cream is not hot. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. I wish they would step it up and make them hot, because this is not hot. My heat level on the Ruffles, a goose egg. Come on, y'all. Now this is about a 5. It's really good. Great flavor. Love the caramel. I've been using this, trying to build up my heat tolerance again for something. And this is very, very good. You guys don't know Tone Ranger? Go check him out. He just makes this for his closest friends. He don't sell it. But it's really, really good. And I was kind of scared. I was like, it's been sitting for a very long time. I wonder if it's still any good. So I checked it out earlier. It's still good. It's been closed tight in a dark place, and the heat level of this has really gotten hotter. But the Ruffles, no. Now I do have me some vanilla Starbucks double shot energy. Y'all, I'm hooked on these. I love them, but they're expensive. Now they're $3, well, $3.25 plus tax. And that's what's keeping me going. Alright guys, I hope you like this review. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And I'm trying to get back into my videos, guys. It's just been, you know, one of them weeks, I guess you could say. Alright guys, until next time.